Okay guys, I am back with another freaking video. Me and my mom are watching the Weather Channel. Ugh. Oh my god. Okay, the last video I showed you, oh my god. We got another freaking storm. Just look at it now. Look at that, that's freaking drowned. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, looks like we're not out of it yet. Alright, that's past us. I'm worried about this mess coming in over here by Bloomington and stuff.
What the shit? Like, oh my god, guys, like, I don't even know.
Like I said, man, it's a crazy night tonight.
Yeah, look over there. Look over there. Over there.
Yeah, water can't drain fast enough in that sewer.
Yep. The freaking sewer is most likely drowned. Oh.
Set all the leaves down and it's gonna plug it up.
Okay. So my brother is now getting the hail. He's in Kentucky right now. He's on his way down to Florida. He still needs a couple more states to go. But it was a nice day. It started out nice. Mother Nature just hates us. God. It's all, our sidewalks drowned. Freaking a lot of areas in February right now it's just drowned. We're gonna get another freaking storm. It's really freaking wet. You don't want to go in there. That was completely drowned. The ground is absorbing it. Finally. Nice long night. And I don't know, but I'm not a big storm fan, so.
I hope the guy that's all we'll get.
Yeah, me too.
I should have lot of them this time.
Our freaking yard. Okay, so their yard ain't too bad. Their yards are fine. Okay, so their yards are fine. Come into my yard. We got snowed on. The only freaking yard in this on this part of town. Well, on this street. God, remember the tree I showed you last night? That is still standing somehow from all the hail. Don't know how it is. But oh my god, man. It's on the ground has absorbed a lot of this. Gotta look down that street. It's all water.
We'll take a picture of the car.
Oh wait, gotta look right there.
Yeah,
Okay, guys. So
taking out the roof and the windshield.
that. Oh my god, man! Like the windshield is somehow not even broken. That's the roof of the car.
Hey, man, come here. Look at the steam off the creek. See that steam?
Holy crap! I don't know if you
Isn't
guys
that cool?
can see. Yeah, that's cool. You guys,
Like a fog.
you guys can see that in the background. Let me know in the description below if any of you guys freaking watch my videos. I got one like, so one guy actually has watched it. I don't know if it was a guy or a girl.
Stay up here. I gotta check something.
Freaking, I gotta stay up here. My dad's going out.
Not stay up there, I said. I just wanna make sure the roof's okay.
Yeah,
Watch this, Ricky.
our car is somehow okay. Even though we just got like probably 3 freaking pounds of hail. Oh my god. I missed the second storm. Sorry guys. We had another storm. My home state. I don't know if that's all that. Is being tortured by everyone's ancestors. They need to like freaking drain out the sewers. Because if you guys can tell right there in that corner, I would try to get a close up, but I can't zoom. Oh yes I can. But in that corner right there, focus. Okay, if you guys can see that, let me know. God, man. Ugh. Look at that. I don't even got to zoom. I got to zoom. Gonna get all that crap. Look at that. Sorry, guys. I'm going to normal mode. But if you guys, let me zoom. There's steam coming up around there. Look at all that hail, guys. Just like, come on. Look at that. Okay, hang on. Let's go over here. So we're in full zoom now. Like, right there is like probably flooded with water. We're probably gonna get another storm because I live in forest. So we're probably gonna get another storm most likely. Because we're gonna get one probably from Bloomington. What the fuck? Don't know what you are, but okay. But yeah, so hoping we don't get another freaking storm. I'm in regular mode. I'm on a tablet, so I can zoom in. Oh, this is 4.0. But I would show you around my house. Oh, wait, I can show you. Nice. Okay, so over there is a puddle.
I hope this is it.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. Extreme close up.
Daddy's ready to suck inside all this rain.
Okay, guys.
My God, look at all those. That was crazy.
You guys can hear that. That is me stepping on heel.
Well, let's see how much more we got inch-wise.
Yeah. Holy crap, look at that.
Another half inch. That's an inch we got within an hour. Man, I don't believe this.
We got 2 inches technically. Well, an inch, half inch. I'm gonna go over here. Probably show you guys.
Stay up there. No. Stay up there. Stay out of the way. Go.
I'm back in normal mode.
I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of this rain already.
Me too.
I'm ready for some nice sunny days. All over the place, huh?
I hate my shoes. They get attracted to hail. They love hail. I'm being serious. How deep is this? I need a stick.
Yeah, come on, Zip. I'll get back on the floor.
God. It is like so. We're drenched. So yeah, bye.
Come on, let's go.